Yeah.
It's just like that bottom right one could be like your hair as well.
Yeah, they do look like a different person's hair. It's true.
It's a bit jittery.
It's because when it's that close, you can't be still. And she's talking, and I just felt a bit. This is the thing about relying on other people. You can't kind of tell them they have to be silent for like an hour, sitting still. It's not really fair.
Yeah, unless you're paying them like £20.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. If they're just doing it as a mate, you can't really make those kind of demands. I don't think. Well, I don't feel like maybe a dickhead can.
I like it though.
It's better than, so I did it originally as like a multi-screen. I made it in Premiere Pro, so I put all of them next to each other, and it looked okay, but it didn't look very good. So I kind of abandoned this idea. But originally it was made to be like a multi-screen, so it looks better like this.
Very nice.
Thanks.